The NextFlow Rigid Flex hose is a unique design in that it's all stainless steel, and it does not break after only a few bends like many rubber hoses with simple copper inserts that are available on the market. Being stainless steel, they hold them into much tougher environments and can be used in food-grade applications as well without any concern. Their resistance to creep and crimping because of the way they are designed. The all stainless construction allows for their use in any difficult environment. There is the regular rigid flex hose, and there's also an extra stiff one where if you're attaching it to a very powerful nozzle or an air amplifier and there's more force that could be pushed onto the hose trying to move it, this will hold up and just be a lot stiffer in this application. So these two different ranges are available, the regular rigid flex hose and the extra stiff rigid flex hose. There are three standard sizes, 6-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch. However, different lengths, special lengths can be provided upon request. What's really interesting about the rigid flex hose, even though they are provided primarily for compressed air applications, due to their design, some customers actually utilize them for liquids at high pressure, as they can withstand up to 1,600 psi of pressure inside the hose. They come with 1/4 inch connections, 1/4 inch male to male, 1/4 inch female to male. And also, if special hoses are required with larger connections, they can be manufactured as well. They're very flexible. They're even offered in packages with the NextFlow nozzles and with optional magnetic bases to be able to put them on any magnetic surface and to be able to flex the nozzle and the hose to be able to utilize your nozzle in all different types of applications.